Hey, what's going on, everybody? Another garage update since you can't really ride right now since we're dealing with, upstate New York weather. It's not too much fun, honestly. But other than that, we're doing our thing. A couple other little changes. Hit a deer the other day. Like 65, fucked my shit up. Customer car. Other than that, what else has changed? Well, elephant in the room, got a new bike. Ended up picking up something not too far from the ordinary, but just a really good deal. This is a 2009. Monster edition. Thing's fucking clean. It's got 1,700 miles on it. I put 300 of them on there. Aftermarket chain and sprocket. Graves, GB Racing engine covers all the way around. It's pretty stock. It does have an exhaust. The dude who sold it had a bunch of bikes and basically didn't ride much of them. So no miles on really any of the bikes that he had. Bunch of Cowies and BMWs. Still have this kicking around. That's bought. Kid's gonna pick it up hopefully next couple weeks when everything starts to kind of warm up. We got a CBR 1000 RR project going. It was crash, subframe, exhaust, stuff like that's all up there. But right now it's ripped down. We're waiting for more parts. Should be all in tomorrow. I might put a couple videos of that coming together. And then a couple other little Hondas, like my buddy's CBR 600. The guy who owns all of these bikes, all three Hondas, is one owner. That's his daily rider. But really all these bikes are for sale in the spring, except for really all of them. We're going through that one entirely. That one's going to be a little cheaper. That 600 is not going anywhere. This 600 I was going to build for a track bike. I'm not real sure. We'll see what happens. I'm going to post it up, see if I get any good offers, and if I do, it's pretty much gone. But if not, I'll keep it just because the miles are so damn low. The only thing is I'm going to change the whole bodywork, sell those at least, because I know they're worth some good money as a complete set of fairings with not a scratch on them. Like I said, the bike's only got 1,700 miles on it. Seat's ugly as hell. That's inside, but you could just tell, like, well, you can't really tell. You can just see the wrap. But there's an airbox that's been fucked with, stock. Boring, doesn't make as much power, not tuned, flashed. Just got a pipe on it. Pretty fucking boring, but we'll see what happens down the line. If I end up keeping it, this is gonna be a full track bike. So we'll see. Keep tuned. I got a lot of bugs to work out with this whole YouTube thing. I suck at it. I do get a new camera. I got to work on editing, shit like that. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the future. Later.